In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Roblox. We will go from nothing installed to actually opening Roblox for the first time on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your apps list. It is usually a multicolored triangle on a white background. When you tap it, the main Play Store screen appears, with a search bar at the top and different app suggestions below. Now, tap on the search bar at the top and search Roblox. Type the word Roblox carefully, with no extra spaces, because even a small typo can change the results. As you type, you should see suggestions appear under the search bar, and Roblox usually shows up near the top of that list. From the list of results, select Roblox by Roblox Corporation. Make sure you choose the one that clearly says Roblox Corporation as the developer, so you know you are getting the official app. The app page will open, showing the Roblox logo, the install button, ratings and screenshots that preview the game. Next, tap Install. The button will change from Install to showing a download progress line, and you may see the size of the app displayed. On Wi-Fi, it usually starts right away, but on mobile data, some devices ask you to confirm the download, so just accept if that prompt appears. Now wait for the download to finish. You will see the progress circle slowly fill, and below it, you might see the word downloading change to installing. On slower connections, this can take a few minutes, so just leave the Play Store open and let it complete. Once the installation is done, the progress indicator disappears and the button changes again. After the install completes, tap Open. This launches Roblox directly from the Play Store screen, and you should see the Roblox loading logo appear. On many devices, the Roblox icon is also added to your home screen and app drawer at this moment, so later you can start it without going back to the Play Store. With Roblox open, sign in or create a Roblox account. If you already have an account, tap the Sign In option, enter your username and password, and then tap the button to log in. After a moment, your home screen within Roblox loads with your games and avatar. If you are new, choose the Sign Up option, enter your birthday, a username, a secure password, and your gender if asked, then confirm to create the account. You will then land on the main Roblox screen where you can start exploring games. You have now downloaded Roblox on your Android device and reached the main Roblox screen ready to play. If this walkthrough helped you get Roblox installed, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.